This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bulleted list in Google Docs. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we have this press release, and you can see that I already have a bulleted list, but what I want to do is I want to convert some of the text here into bullets, and this is how I'm going to do it. Let's blow it up so it's a little bit easier to read. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change some of the text here to a bulleted list. So through the stories of, I'm going to put a colon, I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to go to the next comma, hit return again, the next comma, hit return again, and then the next comma, and hit return again. After that, I'm going to hit return again, but the text down here won't be bulleted. So once I've done that, I've separated out these 4 lines into their own paragraphs. I'm going to highlight them, and then I'm going to go to the toolbar right above the text and select bulleted list. And they were just converted to bullets. If you don't see the toolbar here, you don't see the icon, the other way to do that is to go to Format, then go to Bullets and Numbering, and then select Bulleted List menu, and just take the first one. And you can see it was converted. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching.